The world's stickiest racetrack. Have you ever heard of the stickiest racetrack on the planet? This track is incredibly adhesive. Anyone walking on it might find themselves stuck or even take a tumble. When a race car launches, its tires twist and mold to the track, demonstrating the immense grip the surface offers. Crafted from a unique rubber material layered with a powerful adhesive, this track was specifically created for drag racing in America. It significantly enhances traction, ensuring cars remain stable even when over 1,000 horsepower is unleashed. At high velocities, friction generates intense heat, turning the tire surface into a gel-like texture. This results in even greater grip, effectively sticking the car to the track. However, it's excessively sticky. After each race, thick rubber layers accumulate on the track, requiring a team to painstakingly clean it with torches and scrapers, removing the built-up rubber bit by bit. This rigorous maintenance makes the track both a challenge